In this video, we will be bringing these True Blue 3s back to life, starting with a deep clean and a toe cap unyellowing as well as a midsole repaint. Starting with the deep clean using Rejuvenators products, starting with the soft bristle brush to clean the uppers. And then we will use the medium bristle brush to clean the midsoles. And then we will use the stiff for the soles. And we will place them in the laundry system using Rejuvenators laundry bag. Following this, we will unyellow these toe caps. We must use some Salon Care 40 to apply to the toe cap, as well as Saran Wrap. And we will place them in the sunlight for an hour. After that, we must uncrease the toe box. We must stuff the toe box at first using some plastic bags, and then we'll use the iron method in order to get those creases out. Now we must repaint these midsoles using Angelus white paint as well as Angelus True Blue paint. Starting with the flat white paint, we will apply this to the midsole to give it a few more coats. And we will dry with a heat gun. And then we will apply the True Blue paint. We must also touch up the toe box. Then we will apply Krylon matte finish to protect the paint. And here are the results.